students, today we will do the topic reported speech for class 7th and 8th, and that is regarding to interrogative sentences. Clear to you now? And as you did before, we have to do like that. First of all, we have to keep in our mind those steps. For example, from left to right, left to right. Clear? From this side. For example, this is given. This statement, he said to me what you are eating. He, here, reporting verb is given. Clear? And we have to change reporting verb. And how to change reporting verb? If the very statement is interrogative, then we have to use asked in case of interrogative. In case of interrogative. Or we can say which statement has a question, जिसमें कोई सवाल पूछा गया हो, जैसे कि here it is, he asked. First step to change reporting verb. He asked me. Clear? Now next step, we have to add conjunction. Clear? But here question word is given. Here it is written, if question word how, why, where is given, then no need of conjunction to be added in case of interrogative statement. Clear to you? यदि आपको ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ जाए, ऐसी स्टेटमेंट आ जाए जिसमें ऑलरेडी व्हाट, हाउ, व्हाई these questions are given, then no need to add if or whether. Clear? As a conjunction. If interrogative is given, clear, and question word are not given, then we have to add conjunction either if or whether. Clear to you? Now see this. Here it is, question word is given, then no need to take any source of conjunction that is given already in question word. Clear? What? Here. Next. First to change reporting verb, we have changed here. To add conjunction, conjunction is already given. Clear? In form of question word. Then to change pronoun. Here it is given you. Clear? You will be this side. If interrogative is given, then make the reported speech this part is called reporting verb, this much, and this is called reported speech. Clear? When reported speech is given in interrogative statement, while doing reported speech or indirect speech, we have to make it positive instead of interrogative. Interrogative की बजाय इसे हमें positive बनाना है. Clear? तो क्या लिखेंगे हम? You, and we have to change this pronoun. How to change this pronoun? Formula is there to change pronoun. Subject, clear, object, and this stands for no change. This is related to reporting verb, this part. And then first person, one stands for first person, second stand for second person, third stand for three, or third we can say stand for no change. Here third person, he, she, me, he, she, name of any person, etc. They have them, like that. Then here it is, second person is given you. Clear? Then what is in form of object here? That is you. Then according to object of person. Object of reporting verb here will be I, according to me. What I? Here we have to make past to change tense because a reporting verb is given in past. Then we have to make reported speech also past. Then I was. What I was eating. Instead of sign of interrogation, we put here full stop. What I was eating. Next, the teacher said, here you can, is Guru absent today? So you can add itself. For example, this is given. Is Guru absent today? Then what will be here? The teacher, first step. How many steps has been taken in this? One step, asked. Then second step, what is added? Then change of pronoun, then change of tense. Like that we have to take steps in this also. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. Clear? So then the teacher asked me. Here question word is not given. Helping verb is given in form of making question. Then if. First this, second we added conjunction here and then make it positive. Gaurav was absent. Now today is given. Then what will be here? That day. Because we have to change nearest words into distant words. Then what will be here? That day. Change of tense. And that is third step. It is fourth step here because we didn't change any source of pronoun in this. Clear? Now you have to keep those things in mind which you did in your very positive statements. We have to add extra something in this. For example, change reporting verb. We have to use asked instead of told. Clear? And add conjunction, that is added in simple statements, but here if or whether we have to use as a conjunction. But if question word is given, then no need to add any sort of conjunction. यदि हमारे को क्वेश्चन वर्ड दिया गया है तो उसमें कोई भी कंजक्शन ऐड करने की जरूरत हमें नहीं है. Clear? It seems me you will understand and you have understood to some extent. Please remain engaged in doing practice. You will learn automatically because practice makes a man perfect. Thank you.